socialize that way. But I've been trying to get more creative. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not doing this. I can't do this.
Have one real quick, because I need snack. I came prepared tonight. I knew I might be hungry because I ate early dinner. And actually, I haven't tried that. I should. I have some things that kind of like light up from my grandma. She likes that kind of stuff. Okay, wait. We did it.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Ferdinand.
I have a problem here. Oh god, my stomach.